All right, so let's start. Can you state your name and who you work for?
I'm Dan Sniderman. I'm a senior consultant with Magenic out of the Chicago office.
Hey, you're another one that trekked far and long to get here.
I did.
But you're not like Corey. You actually flew a plane.
I did.
He was insane and actually drove here. So what is your talk on today? Because you changed it on the yesterday.
I changed on the last minute, and I apologize.
But it's still TFS.
TFS. I'm speaking on its introduction to Team Build and MSBuild. So for someone who's interested in automating their build process, who hasn't yet, who has or is interested in Team Foundation Server, I will walk them through how to get that set up and how to do some customization.
Okay.
And why that's a good idea.
Is it customization more from the TFS side or the MSBuild side?
Or
both?
It's really both, because to do customization in TFS 2005 or 2008, you have to do it in MSBuild.
Right.
And I mentioned in 2010 that they'll support Windows Workflow Foundation.
Oh, I didn't even know that myself. That's interesting.
Yeah.
So you've been spending a fair amount of time in TFS in the last year or so, right?
Last couple of years. I started learning it in '07. I took the test, passed it.
Okay.
And I've probably since from December of '07 through May or June, it was probably 50%. At a client, I was a lead.
Okay.
And so I sort of did a transition of leading a team to when they hired someone to lead that team. Did TFS about half time.
Okay.
Then in the summer, starting from the summer, it's pretty much been full-time TFS.
Okay. And I mean, I realize that TFS is more than just source control. It
Right.
has other things in there, the work items and all sorts of other
Exactly.
stuff. But for people that may be coming from other source control systems, like Subversion is really good. That's a very nice, free source control system out there. But if we stick with the Microsoft world, before TFS, there was this steaming pile of wonderful goodness called VSS.
Right.
Do you still see a fair amount of customers out there that are using SourceSafe?
Absolutely.
And is it a fairly easy migration path to get them off of that to TFS?
The technical migration to move the source code from VSS to TFS is very easy. What's more difficult is just the mind frame difference for developers because of the differences, which would be true if they went to any more modern.
Right.
Particularly, VSS users have this fear of shared checkout and branching and merging.
Right. Right.
And I really think to be a mature software organization like Build and some of these quote-unquote agile practices, I think
Right.
to be mature, it's vital to start learning. And you can take baby steps and get there eventually, but that's the key thing, is to just get over the fear of a shared checkout.
Yes, exactly. All right, Dan, I appreciate it.